Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you that how you can see a story archive in TikTok application. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to open your TikTok application. Once you do so, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the profile right at the bottom. Once you tap on that one, so by default, you will be here that you will see your profile and the videos that you posted. The next thing you need to do is to tap on the private videos that you posted. So once you tap on the private one, it will bring you here. And the first thing that you will see right at the left of the screen is Story Archive. You need to tap on that one. And here you will find all the story, the archive here where you posted all the stories, maybe since you're using TikTok application. So you can see it. You can just tap on that one, anyone, and it will open as well. And you can see the views and the likes that you guessed, and you can post it again as well. So guys, this is all it takes to see Story Archive on TikTok application. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. We need your support. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.